This video teaches you how to turn off subtitles in a YouTube video using a computer. Open YouTube in your internet browser video, type www.youtube.com into the address bar. You can open any video from the home page, a channel, or from the search bar at the top of the page. You can enable or disable closed captions by clicking the second button in the bottom right corner of the video. This is the rectangular one with CC inside. Also, the option is underlined in the red when it's enabled, so you can't miss it. Now I am clicking CC option to off subtitles. There is also a problem with this video, so ask about the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comment bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for any updates.